Sexy Mix Deluxe Gel Nail Polish Kit. And these are all the things that are included inside. When you take it out of the bag, this is what you get. It's a little Ziploc bag. So here's everything that you get in the kit. So you get a little manicure set with a bunch of different things, including cuticle oil, nail brush, another dusting brush, toe separators, nail files, nail polish removers, and little alcohol pads. And this is in another resealable plastic bag. You get a little mini UV lamp. I already have one of these, so I know that they're really good. And it comes with a USB cord. Instructions on how to use the lamp. It's really tiny. These are the little legs. Comes with these 6 LED bulbs or lights, and you can stand it on its little legs. So that's really convenient. It seals in place, and it's easy to take with you on the go. And here's details about the lamp. Comes with a 45-second and 60-second button and a little cable where you plug it in, and I got the color pink. So it tells you here it's 6 watts. Instructions on how to use it. Everything that's included in your set. And even how to remove it. Product safety information, stickers that you can mark your bottles. And now let's look at the actual nail polishes. Very well packaged, triple protection. So they're mini little bottles. They're 7 ml, and you get a base coat and a top coat. Now let's take a look at the colors. This one is 1353. Oh wow, look at this gorgeous glitter. Beautiful. Next we have Sexy Mix 1215. Beautiful pink polish, very creamy and very pigmented. Next we have Sexy Mix 1221. Wow, this one is a gorgeous nude shade. It has a hint of purple and gray. It's beautiful. And the last color is Sexy Mix 1230. Wow, this color is gorgeous for the fall. It's a very deep red, deep burgundy shade. Wow, it is gorgeous. It almost looks black. Oh, you can use these little stickers and you paint the color on top, and then you can just peel them off and put it on top. After applying 2 coats and a top coat of each of the colors, this is what I'm left with, and they look beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye! If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel, I invite you to do so by clicking the subscribe button. It's free.